Good morning, I have heat pump error code E202.
What happened just before your heat pump displayed this message?
Control board replaced.
How long has this been going on with your heat pump? What have you tried so far?
Heat pump caplo years.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
PA erase code E202 or I need replace fan blower motor.
Hi, my name is Mike. I'm sorry you are having this issue. I have accepted your question and will be happy to help you. Please note my hours are 6:30 p.m. to 5 a.m. MST, Mountain Standard Time. If you reach me within that time frame, I should be able to immediately respond. However, at times it may take a little while for a response depending on workload. Outside of that time frame, my response will likely be much longer. Please reply to this message so we can get started. Thanks so much, Mike. Smile. If the blower has failed, the easiest way to confirm is to test the blower motor. The best way to validate that the motor is okay is to use a voltmeter, and when the motor should be running, check for voltage at the motor. If the motor is getting voltage, then you have a bad motor. If you have no voltage, then something on the unit is holding that motor out. To find the issue, you would need to trace the wires back looking for voltage until you find it. If this does not work and you need more help, please don't hesitate to ask more questions. Smile.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/YTHI.